urya ruswa muri iki gihugu Imana imurebe, kuko abarundi bakeneye kubona Imana, bakeneye kumva Imana ivuga. Abarundi bakeneye kurya, bakeneye kuryama, bakeneye guhaga. Tugiye kubwira Imana ngo imanuke muri iki gihugu.
And everyone that is taking corruption, we are going to pray that God may see them and deal with them, because Burundians need to eat, Burundians need to sleep in peace, Burundians need the power of God.
Abana abarundi bakeneye kunezerwa n'ivyo Imana yabahaye. Mufite ubutare, mufite ibibiya, mufite amazi, mufite Tanganyika yuzuyemwo amafi. Kuki mutarya amafi ya Tanganyika? Turasaba Imana ngo ikore muri iki gihugu.
We are going to ask God that the children of this land will have access to the resources in the land, in the water, in the forest, that they will enjoy the benefits of this land.
Iki gihugu gifite udusumba twinshi amasararo, kuki mutagira umuyaga nkuba mwinshi muri iki gihugu. Tugiye gusaba Imana ngo izane electricité, inganda zikore, habe transformation muri iki gihugu.
We are going to pray for transformation in this land, that you may all have access to electricity and power, that you may have access to the benefits and the blessings that God has given this nation.
Ubutunzi Burundi bufite buraruta Swisse inshuro zirenga 100, ariko Swisse bayeho neza kuruta Abarundi. Izo Swisse ifite uyu munsi biva mu Burundi, niki gituma Abarundi batabaho nk'Abaswisse. Tugiye gusaba Imana ngo yibuke iki gihugu.
We are going to ask God to remember this country, because the wealth in this country is 100-fold the wealth in Switzerland. Why are the Burundians not enjoying the blessings that they have, yet the Swiss enjoy blessings from this land?
Ndagira ngo mbabwire ko Burundi bukize kuruta Ubudage. Bufite ubutaka, bufite ubutare, bufite ibintu byinshi Ubudage butagira. Ariko niki gituma Ubudage ari ubwa kabiri mu misi? Mwebwe Abarundi nimubeho neza. Tugiye guhamagara Imana, si Imana ya injustice, ni Imana ya justice. Ihaguruka irenganura Abarundi bave muri aka kaga n'agahinda.
We are going to pray to the God of justice, that He may rise and fight for Burundians, because Burundi is wealthier than Germany. Burundi has more resources than Germany, but Germany is the second in the world. Why shouldn't Burundians enjoy their blessings?
Hamwe no Burundi ugomba kuba impunzi hanze, mufite igihugu gifite zose. Nimugomba kuba impunzi ekonomike, mufite ibintu byinshi za ekonomi muri iki gihugu. Tugiye gusaba Imana bikingura imiryango, tuboha abadayimoni buzuye muri iki kirere, batuma igihugu kiri umunezero ngo cyishimire gusa.
No Burundian should live as a refuge.